you guys. It's move-in day. My car is packed up. My mom and I are in Michigan. We've been here the past few days. We packed up my old apartment together. It was so exhausting, just the two of us. Thankfully, my new apartment as well as my old apartment was fully furnished in the kitchen and the living room. And it's the same thing at my new apartment. So the only things I have to move are everything that's in my room, but that includes like my bed frame, desk, that kind of thing. So it does get a little tiring for us little ladies. I move in today around 1 p.m. I'm filming a empty apartment tour as well, so that should already be up. So I'll have that linked down below for you guys in case you want to see my empty apartment tour. But it's about 10 o'clock right now. My mom and I just went and got some bagels. I got an iced chai, and I'm so picky about my chai, and this chai is delicious. We went to Big Apple Bagels because the Brugger's that's right on the main road at Michigan State is closed because of COVID, but this other bagel place was open, so we tried it and it's so good. So that's really good to know. I'll keep you guys updated. We're about to start moving everything in about 3 hours is technically when we're supposed to move in, but I'm gonna go see if I'm able to get in early. If I'm able to sneak in early. Okay. Sneak peek of the apartment. Ooh. We're able to get in early, which is awesome. Like I said, if you want to see an empty apartment tour, it'll be linked down below. It'll also probably be my last video that I uploaded, so check it out. Oh my gosh, this is so messy. I don't even want to show you guys this. What, Mom? It's messy, messy. You look so tan. We just went and got a little snacky Panda Express, some Chinese lemonade. We're gonna take a break. We finished unpacking, not unpacking, but the cars. We finished unpacking all the cars.
Who's that for?
It's my vlog. Silly. What do you mean? Okay. She goes, who is that for? The vlog, the.
Okay.
Cute. Mama's getting started on assembling the bed. Once we do that, then I'll start taking everything out. Here is a time lapse. Go. Unpacked except for a few things that still need to be done, but I mean my room, like I got all my clothes up, my bed, nightstand. I can give you guys a better overview later, but my mom's leaving today to go back to New York. She's driving back, so that's sad, but we're gonna go to Target right now and pick up some things that I need. We made a list, so I will take you guys along.
Those pans, and then these down here, which are easier to access. You know what I mean? This is kind of high. It's not gonna be super convenient for you.
Yeah.
And then I just threw this down here to get it out of the way, but your snacks.
Okay.
I put your Tupperware up there. Well, everything here because of the dishwasher.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
And then silverware.
My mom actually just left. Can you guys hear all the traffic? That's gonna be a new thing featured in the video. So my mom just left. We went to Target and did all that shopping, and then she ended up heading on the road because she has an 8-hour drive. So I'm really sad right now. I just love her so much. I'm really close with my family, especially my mom. So it's always sad when I know that I'm not gonna see them for a while because I don't know the next time that I'm gonna come home or go home, or they're gonna come here. Right now, the next like set planned time for me to go home is Thanksgiving. So that's far. Yeah, I'm just feeling a little sad. I have all the things that I got from Target behind me, so I thought I would just show you guys a little casual haul. Like, I'm not gonna sit down and show you guys, but I'll just like, you know, we can go through it quickly. You guys, yesterday I found an ant on one of my blankets, or no, I think that was this morning, and I told my mom and I was like, uh-oh, maybe I should grab some ant traps. And she was like, you know, maybe it's just from the move, like one from like maybe the truck or something. And then I was putting on some mascara this morning and one was crawling on my sweatpants, and I sent her a picture and I was like, uh-oh. And then I just looked in here and there's one on the wall right there. There's one on this sweatshirt in this pile of clothes, and then there was another one. I'm just like, oh god. So I guess I need some ant traps in here. Oh god, I hate that. Ugh. Okay, back to the little haul over here. So I got tons of snacks and things. Boom Chicka Pop, pretzel crisps, Chex Mix. These are so yummy. This bag, this is like spot treatment for when you wash your clothes if you have a stain. This is my favorite body wash. I always like switch it up depending on like the scent and stuff, but I love this Dove one. Needed more toothpaste, razors, some wipes, and then I always love getting these for my apartment, just like the Glade wall scents. More snacks, Pringles, Goldfish, cheese puffs, rolls. I got some cinnamon bread. I got Snapple. I don't know why I got this, honestly. This is what I used to drink in high school because they had it at like our snack bar. It was the Diet Peach Snapple. These Kind bars. These are dark chocolate, nuts and sea salt, and caramel almond and sea salt. I love Donut Shop coffee, and I saw they had this like vanilla latte one, so I thought I would try this out. I'll let you guys know how I like it. I actually just had to order a new Keurig because the one that we had wasn't working this summer. I'm not sure why. It just wasn't, it wouldn't brew. It would like start making the sounds like it was gonna brew, and then it wouldn't. I just bought a new one. It's really cute. It's all white. It's just like the single serve one. I'll show you guys. It's being shipped here right now. Tide Pods. I got 2 packs of hangers, and then I got a new loofah. I try to get a new one like every couple months. I don't know how often you're supposed to get a new one, but I just don't know how long, like until they get gross, you know. And then command hooks. I need to put those up so they can like sit for a while. So I need to put all these things away. I also have stuff over here. My mom just like didn't really know where to put these things. I'm gonna give you guys a little overview of what my room looks like right now. This isn't gonna be like a room tour. I'm just gonna give you guys an overview because I do plan on doing an entire apartment tour, but this is kind of the setup that we have right now. I really do like it so far. But yeah, I'll definitely do an updated, or not updated, but I did the empty apartment tour. I'll definitely do a finished apartment tour. This is what the kitchen's looking like. I have my money plant over here. I really like the kitchen area. Definitely things are still gonna be getting changed